All right. Good morning. It is Monday, July 24th, 2023. Joined this morning by my 7-year-old daughter, Keegan Kroll. Keegan is an all-star soccer player, ballerina, an expert on the study of unicorns. What else?
I've been in the Nutcracker once, and I'm doing it my second time this year, and I am a very good artist.
Very good artist, yes. I would agree. Keegan asked if she could come to Dad's work today, and I looked at my calendar, and it's a little bit lighter day than I usually have, so I said absolutely, but if you're coming in, we're going to put you to work. All right, so obviously on Monday, as is every Monday, we got to keep people informed on what's happening in markets, with investments, with taxes. So what do you have first on your list, Keegan?
Fall reviews are coming up September 11th to October 13th.
That's right. Fall reviews are around the corner. Hopefully you received the Oceanside quarterly newsletter. I think it's on the back page. It just kind of shows those dates. We will be sending that scheduling link throughout those weeks, coming up here shortly. But kind of biggest thing to start brainstorming now, just if there's anything you'd like to add to the agenda, to your agenda for the fall review. Obviously, we come with a list of things that we're going to have prepared ahead of time. Fall review, it's heavy tax planning. But if there's anything else that you just want to bring to the table and add to your agenda, let us know. Start thinking about those things. Helps us. What's next, Keegan?
We will send out the net worth data gathering link soon.
That's right. So another thing we included in the quarterly newsletter was just letting you know one of the things we plan to do this fall is update everyone's net worth statement. Okay. A lot of reasons to do so. So we will be sending that link out also shortly. What about financial markets last week?
Last week, equity markets moved higher on strong corporate earnings.
Yep. So another decent week for stocks. So receiving these corporate earnings now. I think all of Wall Street kind of watching just how inflation, if it's going to pinch margins, right? Because it's well documented the effects, the negative impact that inflation has on the consumer. Right, but also for businesses, right? If you think about the higher cost of wages, the higher cost of raw materials and other input costs that go into running businesses, and at least thus far, early in the earnings season, companies seem to be managing that okay, right? So I think a lot of investors were encouraged by some of those results, and markets moved a little bit higher last week. What other data did we get, Keegan?
Retail sales and housing data missed estimates.
Yep, so retail sales and housing, not a great week, all right? And again, that's the consumer, potentially getting pinched by inflation, by higher interest rates, higher credit card rates. We haven't seen the slowdown in jobs though. Right, it's and that's the big one. So what do we have to look forward to this week?
This week we get another Federal Reserve interest rate decision and PCE data.
Yeah, so Wednesday, another Fed interest rate decision. Widely expected consensus looks like another 25 basis points. This very well could be the last hike, especially with a couple weeks ago the data we had, the CPI data, the PPI data. So we'll see. As Keegan mentioned there, we also get the PCE data, which that's the Fed's preferred metric. So hopefully we see the trends that we saw a couple weeks ago in CPI, PPI. Hopefully that follows through to the PCE data. So with that, good job, Keegan. We hope you have a great week. You want to add anything else?
I hope you have a good time for the rest of your week.
Perfect. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.